between buying a brand new construction home or a beautiful resale home here in Central Texas, well, you're not alone. Shiny builder models can make your heart skip a beat. But did you know that some buyers are losing tens of thousands of dollars for not considering all options? Today, I'm breaking down what you really need to know before you commit. What's better, new construction or resale in places like Liberty Hill, Georgetown, and Leander? Spoiler alert, one will fit your lifestyle and budget better than you think. Hello, I'm Mindy Guevara, your Texas real estate broker, helping buyers, sellers, investors, and relocation clients navigate one of life's biggest moves. Let's get into it. Firstly, let's talk about feelings for a moment. Yes, real estate is emotional. New construction gives you that new car feeling. Modern finishes, fresh paint, everything is clean and crisp. You feel like it's yours from day one. But resale homes, they have character. Mature oak trees, big backyards for you to install that pool, cozy porches, and established neighborhoods. Sometimes you walk in and you just feel like home. You can just picture your kids riding their bikes down the street. You feel close to something, community, tradition, even nature. So if you're someone that buys with their heart, and I get it, 30% of us do, ask yourself, do you want sleek and new or warm and grounded? Now for the facts crowd, let's compare head to head. Here are the key differences you need to know. Firstly, let's talk about cost. New construction starts lower, but it can quickly add up. A floor plan with a base price of $500,000 can end up costing you $625,000 easily. That's when you take into consideration lot premiums, what you're going to be spending at the design center, as well as a builder upgrade. Now, for resale homes, we can negotiate list price. You typically tend to spend a little bit less if you're looking at the price per square footage. A lot of times, you are also able to still get seller's contributions, allowances, or some type of credits, especially if the homes are already vacant. As for the move-in timeline, for resale homes, you're usually able to move in 30 to 45 days after contract. For new builds, if you're building from the ground up, you want to anticipate anywhere between 6 to 12 months before move-in. Of course, this is going to be highly dependent on weather, supply chains, and permits. Let's talk about maintenance and efficiency. For new builds, you will be getting that energy efficiency. Your new construction home will be under warranty. Typical builder warranties is 1, 2, and 10. That's your 1 year wall to wall, your 2 year, pretty much anything behind the drywall, plumbing, electrical, and your 10-year structural warranty. This will guarantee that you probably will deal with a lot less repairs because all the components of that house are new. As for resale, you may have older components that will need either repair or replacing. The good news about resale properties is that I'm going to have you do that third-party inspection. We want to know any deficiencies up front. Anything that needs repair, we want to check it out. We want to get it repaired or negotiate some type of price adjustment or allowance from the seller. Let's talk taxes and HOA. New construction will typically have higher tax rate because you might have a mud or a pit that's going to add to that tax rate. Anticipate anywhere between $2,000 and $3,000 annually for those. As for HOA in newer communities, anticipate that they might be a little bit strict only because we want to upkeep the community and keep it looking nice and polished to maintain those property values. Now, let's have a little bit fun because this is where lifestyle comes in. New communities often have amazing amenities. You're talking about lazy rivers, a dog park, yoga lawns, even food truck nights. It's a total vibe and I love it. But resale communities, you might get bigger yards for that pool that you want to install. There's less traffic, established neighborhoods, and yes, more privacy. Do you want a guest house or a casita? You might want to look at those resale homes. Are you looking for hiking trails and a neighborhood where you can go to wine nights? That's gonna be new construction all the way. Neither is better across the board. It's about what feels right to you and what is going to fit your future. So, what's better? Truth is, it all depends on your priorities. Do you love tech, options, and a turnkey lifestyle? That's going to be new construction. You want character, trees, land, and a little sweat equity? That's going to be a resale all the way. And guess what? There is a third category. Inventory homes. These are builder homes that are under construction, very close to completion, if not already completed. For this type of property, you're looking at the best of both worlds. You are getting a brand new house, but your move-in is 30 to 45 days, just like a resale. Why? Because the property is completed and the builders are wanting to move it. Here in Q4, I am seeing the most builder incentives I have ever seen. This is the end of their fiscal year. So if inventory homes is what you're looking for, give me a call at the number on the screen so that way we can get started and get you into a house before the end of this year. Here's the deal. Whether you are a detail-oriented buyer that wants to compare every single dollar or just someone that wants to feel at home, I've got you. I want to sit down with you and compare your options side by side. I want to help make this move a lot less stressful and a lot smarter for you. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you like this, go ahead and subscribe and go ahead and comment below if you are team resale or team new construction. I've got to know. I'm Mindy Guevara, and until the next video, take it easy.